Build the muscle and tone it up without looking bulky. Coming up. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Nancy. I am your personal trainer, fitness instructor, and wellness coach at your fingertips. And my job is to help you get to that fitness health goal in an effective and safe way in the least amount of time. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to trim your midsection and build your biceps simultaneously. So go ahead and grab dumbbells. You don't have dumbbells, water bottles. So without further ado, let's do this. Before we get into your meat and potatoes, so to speak, of your workout, let's get some cardio in. If you already did some cardio, I still would love for you to warm up your core, which is the main area we're going to target today. Of course, we want to generate more energy right before we get into resistance training, which is what the muscles need. We want to get a good activation, so get those in. Pause the video if you need more cardio time. We also take time to release tension from our bodies, but also mentally. Stretching time, particularly before you do any type of strength training. We want to make sure that we don't have any stiffness in our body. Just because of the nature of what we're going to do, we're going to be tensing up the muscles a lot. And sometimes we tense up parts that we don't want to tense up, like our lower back, our neck, muscles. And so it's important that just we release all tension, so that way when we are working out, we really put tension in the right muscle. All right, now let's talk technique, alignment, form. Please be patient with me. This is very important. I'm doing it because I care about your results. The better we do it, the more we're gonna engage the right muscles, and you will see amazing results. So let's start with technique. We are going to be curling today. And what usually happens with our biceps, when we try to engage the biceps, the deltoid muscles or your forearm muscles try to come to the rescue, but we're not gonna let them do that today. What we're gonna do when we are curling, we're gonna try to keep the elbow as close to your torso, yes, as possible. We're not gonna get it off and try to, do other things. Yeah, we're gonna keep it nice and tight, and therefore we're gonna engage the biceps more. Second movement that I want you to be aware of, when we are hinging at the hips, I want you to think glutes. Right? Let's try not to do this, but we're gonna be here. So keep the knees soft. We're gonna bring the dumbbells down, and what I usually see happening pretty often is that we tend to do this. We're not gonna do that, even though the elbow is not gonna be close to your torso this way. We're gonna keep it nice and loose, but steady. Yes, steady right here. All right, okay, so go ahead and grab those dumbbells, and we're gonna start by activating your biceps. So pretty simple. All I want you to do is just curl like this. We're gonna do that. Then we are going to raise the elbows up to shoulder level. Gonna open up, and then we're going to press. Yes, pretty easy. It's all about trying to target as many muscles up as possible and doing it the proper way. So again, as you can see, soft knees, shoulders back, elbows as close to your torso. We curl, elevate those elbows, open it up, and press it.
far so good. Now we are going to use only one dumbbell. Doesn't mean it's going to get easier. We are going to add speed. You're gonna do it more dynamically. I want you to think about energy, energizing yourself. So that way you're gonna be getting into burning more fat. Who wants to burn fat here? Yes, all right, so what we're gonna do, you're gonna continue curling, engaging those arms. As I promised, we're trying to incorporate as many muscles as possible. So what we're gonna do, we are going to curl it, and then we're going to twist. So let me show you this way. So again, curl it, remember, soft knee, engage the glutes, curl it, boom. So what we're doing is activating your midsection, your core. We're getting to the lower abs and to the obliques, yes? Okay, now that you recover to those 30 to 1 minute break while I am talking, you can take a sip of water and recoup. Ready? Set and go. We're going for 8 to 10. Now I would like you to separate your feet about shoulder width apart. Now we're gonna start incorporating the core, the midsection. All right, so we're gonna continue doing the same movement for your arms, for your biceps. So we're going to curl here. Then we're going to twist, and we're gonna go back down. Then we're gonna do a high curl, raise it, and we curl it, and then twist. Make sure to keep the alignment of your wrist and your form. Try not to bend like this. Gonna keep it this way, right? We're gonna keep the biceps engaged, and then we're going to twist. One more time. Curl, twist. Yes? All right, we're going for 4 to 10, okay? Because we are adding low twists and high twists, we're gonna try to keep it somewhere achievable. Not that many number of repetitions, but try to do it as good as you can. Paying attention to how when you're curling, right? When you're curling here, keep it right here. Then we're gonna elevate the elbow, gonna curl right here, and then we twist. Let's do this. Get set, relax the shoulders, and let's go. thank you so much all for being here, but hey, don't leave yet. I'm just saying thank you so much for getting until the end of the meat and potatoes of your workout. Now we're gonna seal it with some stretching. All right, just side to side, releasing tension. Remember, your flexibility is as important as your cardio, your muscular endurance, your muscular strength. Flexibility needs to be in as well, so please bear with me. Many of you that know me know that I didn't like flexibility or stretching yoga, but now I know the benefits and I see the difference in how I move. My range of motion has improved, and honestly, I feel like everything that we do physically, we somehow, some way, we bring it into other areas of our lives. I feel like the more flexible and light I am in my body, the lighter I am with certain attitudes. I used to be very stern and firm about certain situations, and now I'm like, I have kids, so I think many of you, just hold it right here, may be able to relate. So it's all about, you know, becoming flexible in your body, but also has to do with your mind. I know I'm totally deviating here from our theme, but I think if you start paying attention to how you feel physically, naturally, essentially, you're gonna start paying attention to how you feel emotionally and mentally. So I feel like becoming more flexible and doing more yoga, meditation, this type of practices have helped me become a more balanced person versus the woman that it was either this or that. And sometimes we have to kind of, you know, compromise a little, come to middle grounds, you know, and try to see the whole picture instead of just focusing on one thing. All right, thank you. Now you can leave. But before you leave, let me know how you're doing. I would love to know about your journey, about your progress, your goals. Have any questions, concerns, or anything, please let me know. Write them down, type them in the description down below. It will be a pleasure for me to get back to you. I love you all. Enjoy this day.